In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize plain text emails in Hubspot. Whether you're refining your marketing strategies or simply making your communications more personal, customizing your emails can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together for a seamless experience. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Hubspot. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to use your HubSpot credentials. Enter your email and password and click the button to proceed. If you've set up two-factor authentication, don't forget to complete that step as well. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the HubSpot tools you need. From here, take a look at the navigation bar on the left-hand side. Find the Marketing tab and click on it. This is where HubSpot consolidates all your marketing tools, and it's a gateway to managing your emails. With the Marketing tab now open, you should see an option that says Email. Click on this to view all the emails you've been working with. This brings you to an organized list of your emails, whether they are drafted, sent, or scheduled. From the list, select the specific email you wish to customize. This might be one that you've already sent out or something you're still drafting. Click on the chosen email to open it up. Now that you're inside the email, locate the Edit Email button. This button will allow you to make changes to the content or settings of your email. Go ahead and click that. After doing so, you'll be taken directly to your email editor where the magic customization starts. In the editor, glance to the top of the page and find the Settings tab. When you click on this, you'll see various settings options for your email. This section lets you fine-tune how your email behaves and looks, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your branding and communication objectives. Now that you're in the settings, find the Customize option. Clicking Customize opens up possibilities for personalizing your email further. Here, you can adjust text features and other parameters to tailor your email exactly the way you want. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot. Customize wisely, as thoughtful personalization can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your communications. Remember that practices like these can help build stronger connections with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.